Living in Fort Lauderdale means enjoying year-round sunshine, gorgeous ocean views, and warm tropical weather. But it also means facing constant humidity, salty air, and the potential for powerful storms. When it comes to replacing your windows, choosing the right materials isn't just a matter of style, it's a major decision that affects your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and long-term durability. The coastal environment can be harsh on building materials, so selecting windows designed to withstand these conditions is essential. Here are the best window materials for homes in Fort Lauderdale and why they hold up so well in a coastal climate. Vinyl windows. Affordable, durable, and low-maintenance vinyl is one of the most popular window materials for coastal homes, and it's easy to understand why. High-quality vinyl frames resist moisture, salt, and corrosion, making them ideal for Fort Lauderdale's humid environment. Unlike wood, vinyl does not warp or rot, and unlike aluminum, it will not corrode over time. Homeowners appreciate vinyl windows because they are energy efficient and help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures even during the hottest summer months. They also come in a variety of styles and colors, allowing you to customize the look of your home. Best of all, vinyl requires minimal maintenance, usually just a quick wash to keep them looking like new. Fiberglass windows. Strong, stable, and weather-resistant fiberglass windows are often considered the top choice for high-performance coastal window replacement. The material is incredibly strong, more resistant to swelling and shrinking than wood or vinyl, and able to withstand extreme temperature changes. This is especially important in Fort Lauderdale, where the summer heat can be intense. Fiberglass frames also resist saltwater damage, making them an excellent option for homes located near the beach. Their naturally strong structure allows for slimmer frames, which means larger glass areas and better views. Additionally, fiberglass provides excellent insulation, helping to keep cooling costs under control. Aluminum windows. Sleek, modern, and hurricane-resistant aluminum windows remain popular in South Florida because of their strength and hurricane resistance. Modern aluminum windows are better insulated than older styles and often come with thermal breaks that reduce heat transfer. While aluminum is more susceptible to corrosion than vinyl or fiberglass, today's manufacturers use improved coatings and finishes to protect frames from salt and moisture. Homeowners who prefer a sleek, modern appearance often choose aluminum because of its slim profiles and clean lines. If you're looking for exceptional durability and storm protection, especially when paired with impact-resistant glass, aluminum windows can be a reliable option. Composite windows. The best of multiple materials. Composite windows combine the benefits of several materials, often blending fiberglass, wood, and polymers to create a frame that performs exceptionally well in challenging climates. These windows are engineered to resist rot, corrosion, and warping, making them ideal for Fort Lauderdale's coastal environment. Composites offer the aesthetic appeal of wood without the maintenance headaches. They can be customized in various finishes and provide excellent insulation, helping keep your home comfortable while reducing energy bills. If you want premium performance and long-lasting durability, composite windows are a smart choice. Wood-clad windows. Beauty with added protection. While traditional wood windows are not ideal for Florida's moist, salty air, wood-clad windows offer a great compromise. They feature a real wood interior for warmth and elegance, paired with an exterior cladding, often aluminum or fiberglass, to protect against the elements. This gives homeowners the upscale appearance of wood without the risk of rot or decay. Choosing the best option for your Fort Lauderdale home. When selecting window materials for a coastal climate, consider factors like durability, maintenance needs, energy efficiency, and hurricane resistance. Vinyl, fiberglass, aluminum, composite, and wood-clad windows each offer unique benefits, but all can be excellent options when chosen from a trusted manufacturer and installed by experienced professionals. Replacing your windows with materials designed for coastal living not only enhances your home's value and comfort but also provides year-round protection from the elements. With the right windows, your Fort Lauderdale home will stay beautiful, efficient, and resilient for years to come.